Obesity. In India, obesity increases among children, due to which Economic Survey 2025 recommended health tax on ultra-processed food because children consume more ultra-processed food nowadays like chips, cookies, cold drinks, Maggie, etc. You can measure obesity by body mass index. BMI is the ratio of person's weight to the square of their height. It is important to measure BMI to stay safe because obesity is the mother of all disease. According to World Health Organization, obesity increases the risk of diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer and osteoarthritis. Impact of obesity also that it increases non-communicable diseases in early ages and 60% of all death in India is due to non-communicable disease. According to National Family Health Survey 4, which was conducted in 2015-16, the obesity of women was 20.6%. But after few years, in National Family Health Survey 5, which was conducted in 2019-21, it reaches 24%. That means obesity among children and also in women increases with time. The obesity is more in urban area than rural. And also if you will see in urban middle class family face more obesity problem than others and rural poor face more obesity problem. According to Lancet study of 2023, the abdominal obesity affects women more than men, as it was 40% in women and 12% in men. Abdominal obesity can be measured by waist circumference. And World Obesity Atlas 2022 estimated that by 2030, obesity will reach 10.8% in children of age group 5 to 9 years and it will reach 6.23% in children of age group 10 to 19 years. It is important to look toward this problem as obesity affects human psychologically, like stigma of being obese, discrimination, bullying in school and colleges, lower academic performance due to obesity, and the reason of increasing obesity in India is very common, like unhealthy diet, consumption of unhealthy food, nutritional deficiency, and economic barrier like poor low income households, especially those relying on public distribution system, consumes more carbohydrates like wheat and rice which distributed in PDS, and they are unable to purchase nutrition rich food like fruits, vegetable, dairy products and animal based products due to their price. They are expensive. And one of the main reason of increasing obesity by Lancet study is that lack of physical activity. Nearly half of Indian population not take interest in physical activities due to many reasons like desk job, digital devices like mobiles and laptops, their children busy in their mobile games. There are many factors discouraging physical activities like lack of cycling lanes and pedestrian pathways in India, poorly lit streets of India, and also rising crime rates, due to which parents don't allow their children to go outside and play due to all these problems. And one of the big problem today is air pollution, inflammation, and global warming. The greenhouse effect increases the temperature vary very fast, and due to which it is unbearable to play outside. That's why parents don't force their children to go outside and play outdoor game. They just sit in their home in air conditioned room and play game in mobile. And all these factors discouraging people to directly involve in physical activities, due to which obesity increases in India. But we all have to focus in this field, as obesity come with many diseases in future. If you will not focus on your obesity and obesity in your children, then it will be harmful for you. So it's our responsibility to be healthy, be safe. Thank you.